Hey everybody, today I want to talk about a healthier way, a more strategic way, let's say, of taking share of wallet. Okay? So at a very high level, if you're in SaaS and you're a marketer, you got to be aware right now that your executives, your board, your VC, your angel, any of your investment partners, private equity, bootstrapped, even your founders, whatever it is, they are looking to increase their average order value of their customers. In other words, their share of wallet. Now, when they pursue these types of initiatives, at Directive, we get brought in a lot of times, and I'm actually pursuing share of wallet with Directive ourselves. And one of the coolest parts about Directive is we function in many regards like a very high average order value SaaS company. And so I like to treat Directive as a SaaS company because I feel like it puts me in the shoes of our customers, right? So we have a product team, we do product updates, we have similar billing mechanisms, we think of and leverage and do things like a SaaS company until it comes to share of wallet. Now, on share of wallet, we at Directive have a very different theory or approach than I see most of our SaaS clients pursue. And I wanted to create this video to kind of walk you through how I think we can do share of wallet better. So when SaaS companies normally do share of wallet, they try to expand their product line and they try to become a platform, right? And as they offer additional product lines, these are traditionally tailored to additional personas, and this is where they go wrong. Because breaking into a new persona is so much harder than we ever give it credit for. It is so difficult to master what the director of demand generation at a company with over 100 employees needs, and then all of a sudden truly own the creative director share of wallet. Like, even for like Directive, I'm like speaking like directly from us, like trying to go from owning a director of demand gen to owning a creative director as a persona is like borderline impossible in a short amount of time, unless you're doing it via acquisition. And most SaaS companies I see aren't using acquisitions entirely only for this purpose. And so what I would rather see us do is try to create share of wallet within the same persona. In other words, at Directive, one of the big things that's fueled our growth is when we launch a new service line, we still try to do it within our existing persona ecosystem so that when our client sales organization tries to drive the cross-sell and tries to expand our share of wallet with our customers due to a new service line, we don't have to try to build new relationships and then try to learn new pains and then try to create new value. We already understand the pain because it's the same point of contact. We understand the value because it's the same point of contact. We understand the opportunity because it's the same point of contact. In other words, when we take share of wallet at Directive, we're most often doing it within the same persona. Now, a lot of people push back against this because they think they're going to run out of budget. But what you don't realize oftentimes is that in the FP&A function, in the finance org, the budgets aren't as distinct as you might think. And there's actually a lot more budget within an individual persona than you might realize, because that individual persona, what you have to ask yourself is, what is their jobs to be done? And then you have to ask yourself, could our product essentially help them with those other jobs to be done? And what I see instead is, here's the other personas in the company that we want to help with their jobs to be done. And I constantly see SaaS companies struggle to drive the growth they want unless they do an acquisition there. Because they're not acquiring revenue as much as they're acquiring market positioning, as much as they're acquiring personas, as much as they're acquiring brand. And there's so much more to this. So I just wanted to plant a little seed in your head. When you think about share of wallet, I think the more strategic way to grow your share of wallet is to try to do it within your strongest persona instead of net new personas. And if you want to do net new personas, just realize how difficult it is and adjust your forecast to accommodate for all the time it takes to build brand equity with this new marketplace. Because even if you're selling into the same vertical, once you change persona, equity diminishes. And it takes a lot longer than we initially think in our modeling and our forecasting to gain that market share when we try to expand share of wallet via net new personas. So hopefully that helps you, and that gives you a more strategic way to take share of wallet. And if you like this video and want more, as always, please leave comments and subscribe below. So thanks everybody, and have a great day.